This is a film about forests. This is also a film about you.
Yo, welcome to A1 2018. I will tell about nature. In my video my tema video is forest bathing, and it's about forest and you. How to make and manage the nature with many people in the world. Hey Andi, come join. Hi. We talk about forest bathing, right?
Alright.
Yeah. What do you think about forest bathing?
I think this is video about where are humans, plants,
Animals.
and animal
Yeah.
life, and where is the moment to calm the mind.
Yeah. I think nature is very, very important. Not from human, also like for animal and any other, right? So we have to manage for our future, for anybody in the world. Okay, our conversation is over. We talk about forest bathing.
About nature.
The point is nature is important for our life, not for human but for all, any kind in the world. And thanks for watching, and thank you. Enjoy, and life is happiness. Bye.